Kieran.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you doing?
Painting.
You're painting?
I'm not in the kitchen.
You're painting in the kitchen?
Yeah.
What are you painting?
Rainbow.
Oh, there's a lot of colors in there.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what any of the colors are?
A yellow and green and blue.
Mm-hmm. Is there another color that you see?
Red.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Can you smile at the camera for a sec? Okay, go back to painting. Do you know what that thing you're using is called?
Yeah.
What?
No.
It's called a funnel.
I love funnel.
You do love funnels?
Yeah.
I think there's a spoon inside the sink too if you want to feel for that. A big spoon, someplace. Well, just if you put your hand in there and feel around, there's probably a big spoon someplace. Ooh, what'd you get?
The big one.
Oh, you know what you did? You emptied the drain, or you removed the drain. All the water's going down. Here, I should help you put it back in. Let's see if we can do that. We have to put some more water in, Kiki. You have to keep that in there, because otherwise all the water goes down. Okay, let's turn on some more water.
I want more colors.
Well, yeah, we'll put more colors too.
I want some water.
Well, we have to put more water in.
I already have soap in there.
Yes, we already have soap. I'm trying to make the water warm though. This is kind of cold water. That's hot. Okay.
That's hot.
Okay. Yeah, we probably have enough soap.
Put more colors in.
Put more colors in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's still some colors in there though, honey. Okay, let me put them in though.
Okay.
Can you give it to me? Alright, thank you.
Look.
Okay, put some drops in.
What one is the one? That green one fall.
The green one fell?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pick it up.
My arm to pick it.
Huh?
I pick it up.
No, I'll get it. Okay.
How about that one? Hi, Mommy.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Dad.
You did it. There's now green drops everywhere.
And red drops and blue drops everywhere.
Can you sing a song about the drops?
I have color in my sink. I know my baby boo 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 boo.
What does that mean?
Baby, you don't play sink. I have my colors in the sink.
I love it. Are there any more verses to that song?
I know mine. Boop boop boop. Do black do. No ta ta bo do black.
What does that mean? Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
water.
You don't need more water. There's lots of water already now. Okay, bye.
Bye.